In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix cannot retrieve posts at this time error on X app. If you're constantly getting this error where there is a continuous loading and you're told to try again but nothing works, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this, first you need to troubleshoot your X account to fix the problem. To do that, go to settings on your phone, and from settings scroll down to apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your X app, tap on it to open, and then you want to go to force stop and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache. OK. Finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and check and ensure that your network is stable. You also want to check and ensure that you're not using any VPN app, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. At this point now your X app should be working without any issue and you should be able to retrieve your previous posts or your current posts. However, if that does not work, then take a further step and go to your Google Play Store or App Store. So I'll go to Google Play Store here because I'm on Android, and here you want to search for your X app and see if we have any update your app to the latest version. Now at this time everything should be okay. However, if your app still can't work, then most likely X might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes, and now if you come back to your X app, everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.